Today you're going to learn how to create a database. To create a database, we will be using the database software, Microsoft Access, to create the databases. So you're going to create a new database. It's from page number 83 in your ICT booklet for grade 5. Okay. Select the database, the blank database option, and now you can give the concept name. So first thing we are going to do is we will be opening Microsoft Access. So this is the Microsoft Access. I have opened Microsoft Access now. It will be automatically selected for blank database. You don't have to do anything. Just make sure this is blank database. And here is where you need to give the file name. You can choose in which folder you have to save this by clicking this folder icon. So after giving name, you have to choose where the file has to be saved. Then you have to click on create. So in this question, they have asked us to save the file as concert bookings. So we will be saving it with the file name concert bookings. Concert bookings. I have a folder for grade 5 here, so I'm just going to save there. Navigating to the folder. Desktop, I have grade 5. I'll just click OK. So after choosing the folder where to be saved, you have to click on the create button. This will create a blank database. This blank database will be having the name concert bookings. Okay, so this is the first step. So we have created a database with file concert booking. Now the second question, a new window will appear. You have seen that empty blank database window. The third question, to create a table. So in a database, always the data is stored in tables. So to create a table, you need to create a table in the design view. So they have shown the picture here. I'm just going to click here. Go to view, design view, the table name. So here, let me see whether they have asked us to give any table name. The field names are given here. Here they have asked us to save the table as concert table and click OK. So I'm going to save the table as concert table. I'll give the name right here. Concert table. Then click OK. So this is the new table that has been created. This view is called as design view, where you're going to design your table. Basically, you will be giving the field names in your table and the data type. So what is data type? The type of data of that particular field. For example, if it's your name, it's text. So let's see what are the various fields and data types here. So field names and data types are given here. So these are the field names: booking reference having data type text, last name text, first name text, venue text, city text, concert date is having data type date, number of tickets should be number, ticket price should be currency. So these are the various field names and the data types. So we are going to make this into this field. This symbol shows that this is having a primary key. We don't need primary key here, so I'm just going to delete it. Just click on that primary key button, so that is removed. And my first field is a booking reference. So I'm going to type booking reference here. And it is of data type text. Okay, then I'll click the next row below the field name. The next one is last name and text. So I'm just going to type last name and the data type as text. Okay. The next one is first name and text. So I'll type first name and the data type text. Choose text from there. The next one is venue and text. So I'll type venue here and text. It's coming automatically now. The next one is city and the data type is text. So I'll type city here, data type as text. The next one is concert date. So I'll click here and type concert date. Bits of data type date. Let's have a look. Is there any data type date? No, but we have a data type date/time. This is the one that we have to choose. Okay, so whenever your data type is date, you have to choose date/time. So I'm just clicking on that. The next one is number of tickets and data type is number. So I'll just click here, number of tickets, and I'm going to choose number from the drop down. Okay. The last one is ticket price and it is having the data type currency. Currency means all the money related things. 10 dirhams. Yeah, that's the currency. 20 dirhams. That's the currency. All money related values will be stored as currency. So I'm going to type ticket price and with data type currency. Okay. So that's it. Then after typing all these things, just go here, click on the save button. Now your table is saved. We have designed the table by telling these are the field names and these are the data types. So if you notice, you can see when I click on a field name, the corresponding field properties are coming up here. Then if I click next, again the field properties of last name is coming here. If I click on concert date, the field properties, did you see field properties of that one will be coming here. So number of tickets, the field properties of this one will be coming here. If I click here, the field properties of this will be showing here. So in this way, if you want to make any more changes in your table, you can do it here. Okay, so these are the ones, field names and data types we have defined. After that, we have clicked on save button. So this view is design view. Now let's go back to the data sheet view where you can see how our table looks, and data sheet view is the view where you are going to enter the records. So just click on the view button, data sheet view. So you can see your table here. Since we haven't added any records, we just have the field names, booking reference, last name, first name, venue, city, concert date, number of tickets, and ticket price. I just double clicked on the tab there so that that field is fully visible. Okay, so I have done all the steps. Okay, so I have done this. Now my next task is to enter the records given here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 records are there. I need to enter these records here. So I'll start one by one. If you notice, you can see the booking reference. The first two um, digits are letters. The first two characters are letters and the rest all are numbers. So I'm just going to enter EP0140. I'll enter EP0140. Then the last name is Wilson. So when I'm going to make an entry, make sure that there are no spelling mistakes. Wilson. Then first name is Stephen. Okay. The venue is Epic. I'm pressing tab to move on to the next cell, next box. City Newcastle. Concert date 1907-2002. 1907-2002. Okay, I'm getting the date displayed in a different format. I need to make changes for that. But my first thing, I'll finish the entry of all the records. Number of tickets, 2. Ticket price, 12. Okay, and this one is also getting displayed as dollar. I want to show it as pound. So I'll be making these minute changes. So this one, I want to get it displayed in this format. So let me change the field properties. I'll just go to the design view. So I'll click on concert date. The field properties of the concert date will be showing up here. Click on the format. Just click down. Just see whether the option that you're looking for is here. We don't have that option here. So I leave it as such. Ticket price, let's go for the ticket price currency. Format is currency. Let's see whether you have got pounds here. Okay, we don't have pounds also here. Okay, fine. Then let's leave it as dollar itself. Actually, you have to change the settings from here to get it displayed. It's fine. Okay, so we'll just enter as such. So let's go back to the datasheet view. Yes, click yes. So don't worry, even if your date is getting displayed in a different format and if your ticket price is having a different currency symbol, we will be learning how to change the currency symbols at a later point of time, not now. Just now, you just have to know how to create a table and how to enter records into that table. Okay, so my first record has been entered, and from the second record, I'll just start entering EM0224. And the person is Smith Helen Ember. Smith Helen Ember. Make sure there are no spelling mistakes. Newcastle 2207 2000. Newcastle itself 20702 4 12. Okay. Then DO0191. DO0191. Smith Jane Dom London. Smith Jane Dom London 0307 2002. The number of excuse me, the number of tickets is 1. Then we have 18. Then AP0578. Then you have Jonas David Apollo. Jonas David Apollo. Then Cardiff 0607 2002. Cardiff 0607 1002, then 412. 4 and 12. The next one is AR0489 and Gregory Michael Arena. Glasgow. And then you have 0707 2002. Then you have 6, then 15. And the next one is AR0460. The next one is Gregory John Arena, Glasgow. 0707 2002. 615. And next is WP0123. Carter Harold. Warwick Park. The next is London. Then 0407 2002. 515. So this format, the concert date format appears basically if you don't do any selection or anything, it basically shows how your system date is getting displayed. See, mine is getting displayed as 12th April 2020. That's why it's getting displayed as 04. Then the month name is Sean and 04. So you don't have to worry, just enter as it is given in your booklet. That's it. So I have finished the entry of all the records given there. Now, once I finish entry, I have to click save. Just click on the save button over there. So I have done this. Now, the next question, question number 9. Now, sort your records into ascending order on last name. You can do this by highlighting the last name column and clicking on the sort ascending icon. This is ascending means small to big or A to Z. So we need to sort the records based on the last name. So open this one, just click on this last name column and you can see the button here ascending. Just click on that ascending. So all the records are sorted in the ascending order of last name. So C comes first, then G, then J, S, W, A to Z order it has got sorted. So that is also done. Now, in the design view, insert a new field. So we are asked to insert a new field. So to change the design or to edit or to make some changes in the design view, make some changes into the table. If you want to add a new column, a new field, we need to go to the design view. Insert a new field to include the telephone numbers for each person in the database. You should make this a number data type. Okay, now go to the datasheet view, make up 6-digit telephone number for each person. So we'll just go to the design view, find out the last empty field name place. So this one, I'll just click here and I'm going to put telephone number. And right now I'm going to set it as number. Then click save. Then datasheet view. If you check, you can see there is a new field telephone number added, and you can enter your details here. Telephone number of these people over here, you can just add any random telephone numbers, 6-digit ones. So telephone numbers, 6-digit telephone number for each person. So you can just add any 6-digit number. Okay, this will make it 6. Yes. Okay, so you can just add it like this. Any numbers you can add for all these records. Then after that you click save. You can just close this one. So that is our task. You have saved it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.